Welcome back to DOCONCHAIN. After navigating the vault, let's now proceed to our next solution, which is the Doc Passport. To access the passport, we need to go back to the vault and open a document. The passport is used to review, track, and share your document. You can send an access link to your document using the options under the Users tab or under the Passports tab. To send an access link, you need the first name, last name, and email address of your recipient. You can also put a password and include the access key in the email that you'll be sending. You can also put for read or for read and download. This allows you to restrict your document in case you don't want anyone to download it outside the platform. Once done, you can hit send and confirm with your account password. The recipient will then receive the copy of your document through their email. To view the document, they just have to click on the button and enter the access key given on your request. Once opened, you will see some icons that you can use to navigate the document. If the for read and download option is selected, the print and download icons will be seen and can be used. And this is how it looks like once the for read option is selected. As you can see, the download and print icons were disabled. This is to prevent your recipient from downloading or printing your document. That's it for document sharing. See you at the next video. Thank you.